What up, YouTube? Gabriel's Creations here, back with another video. And because you read the title, you already know what I have in this nice wool box here, nice and unopened. So we are going to experience this together. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. One thing I do want to say as I get into this is I do want to clarify that this is the Amazon Echo, not the Amazon Echo Dot, which is a bit smaller. I believe it's probably meant for smaller spaces and things like that. And that one, the Echo Dot, also has a version of it that features a clock on it. This one is not that. This is the bigger Amazon Echo. I've seen a lot of people mistakenly call it the Echo Dot, which I can completely understand. It really rolls off the tongue. Probably gonna try not to say it myself, but yes, I do want to make that clarification. Oh yeah, already I like this. I really like this box. Yeah, get out of my focus that I have going. I do want to add that my channel is not sponsored or monetized or anything like that in any way. I am a very new channel, mostly geared towards my crafts and things that I do, but I probably do review videos, unboxings, things like that of, interesting things that I acquire. Very nice box. This one probably won't be too in-depth because there are plenty of videos of people who have multiple Amazon devices who can really display these features and things for you. I can't do that. This is the only device I have, and it is, as I said, I'm not sponsored or anything, so I did purchase this myself through my own Amazon account. I was fortunate enough to get one before they ran out. Now they won't be back until like Christmas or something, it says. Haven't really had an Echo device in a while. My last Echo device was a 3rd generation Echo Dot. And I sold that a while back when COVID first hit. It says November 17th, I believe, they dropped this bad boy. Red being my favorite color, I definitely had to cop this. And yeah, I decided to make this video because I tried to, find videos for myself. Not just of the 4th generation Echo, because there's plenty of those plenty of people out there, who have these displaying the features and everything, but I wanted to see the red one in particular just because it's the one I wanted. And I was kind of confused for a second. It didn't take me long to figure it out, but I did have to do some switching back and forth between posts, to make sure that, or to confirm whether or not this was the Echo or the Echo Dot, because people kept mentioning both. But I can confirm that this is the Echo, not the Echo Dot. So if you wanted a version of this, or if you wanted a red one that comes with a clock on it, you will not be able to get that, sadly. That is also what I wanted. I just I feel like clocks are, for some reason, not, they're just becoming obsolete, kind of. I'm not that kind of person. I'm young, but I'm not always, I try not to be on my phone as much, you know what I mean? I like to just be able to look up and tell the time, Already, I'm really digging this color. As I said, red is my favorite color. Just red in general, it's such a nice color. So when I saw this one in the product red, it instantaneously became something I needed to have. I really wish it had that clock on it, but it's all good. It is all good because I do miss having a smart speaker in the house. The only other things you get in the box are the instruction manuals. Okay, let me get it plugged in. I know a lot of people really aren't digging the spherical design. And quite honestly, I don't understand what the big deal is, because I like it. I like it a lot. It's actually, ooh, sorry about that. It's actually really cool. Really cool piece to just have sitting, especially in this color. Maybe, I mean, I can understand if you're not liking the, oh wow, yeah, that is very noticeably more vibrant. I saw a lot of videos of people saying that they didn't like the new light bar too much, mostly because of the placement. They say it's not as visible, but coming from a 3rd generation Echo Dot, and also, I mean, I haven't had it in quite some time, but I definitely know that it wasn't like this, because I mean, the bar itself is a lot thicker, and it has it seems like it has some very bright, much brighter LEDs.
Your device is ready for setup.
I'm going to get this set up and be right back. Okay, I'm back with my Echo Dot. I will admit that the setup was seamless. As I said, I did order it through my own account, so I actually chose the option to have it pre-linked to my Amazon account before it got to me. Didn't have any problems with it setting it up at all. I just literally just opened the app and it kind of set itself up. That being said, after I finished setting it up, I guess the light sensor that this is equipped with somewhere, I assume it's like up in here somewhere, I believe maybe even in that button, the light sensor kicks into gear. And what that does is it dims the light down here. So if you have the Echo in a dark room, it will dim the light, so it's not as troublesome. My problem is, as you can see, I have the mute mode on, and you can probably barely, very, very barely see that reflection disappearing off of my black table. That is an issue for me. It is not that dark in here. I understand I don't have the best lighting, but it is not that dark in my room. And these LEDs that I have back here, barely even, I can hold it, they barely even make it get any brighter. Barely. And it just goes right back down. And it's like, so as soon as I finished setting it up, the light dimmed, and I thought something was wrong with it. I thought, you know, I immediately started researching and, you know, realized that there's that signature light sensor that I guess has been in there since like the 2nd generation, something. But it is not very good in this device. I can take my lamp here and hold it up here. As you can see, it does not get any brighter. I can have to take my lamp and put it damn near on the thing, and there it is. It will get bright. I'm not trying to put the actual bulb in the camera and blind you, but this is it's a daylight. It's not a warm light bulb or anything like that. It's a daylight bulb, but you can't see the light right now, but my hand is only about another 8 to 12 inches, about 8 to 10 inches up from where the end of the screen is. It's very close, very, very close. Unless you're in like you have this thing in your very well-lit office or something, it's not gonna do very well. And that probably explains why so many people were complaining about the light, about the brightness of the light in particular. And they probably didn't realize that the light sensor was just not very good at all. And I've looked through the app and things. There isn't a setting already there to just turn the light sensor off, because I would like mine at full brightness at all times. There is nothing for me. This will be going back, just because without the light bar, what is it really? It's just a ball on my countertop. Not that I'm complaining, because I mean, I kind of like the ball design. It's actually very nice, especially in this red. It's amazing, actually. But that light sensor, just take that light sensor out and put a clock in there, and I will buy another one. I promise you I'll buy another one. But for now, you're getting this one back, Amazon. I'm sorry. As I said, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I am going to continue on. I did have a couple of things that I want to try out with this thing, but I just wanted to kind of rant about that, because I'm a little upset. This is I bought this for myself for my birthday, which is today, actually, the day that I'm recording this video, which is November 29th. So this is the day of my birthday. I am doing the unboxing of my red favorite color Amazon Echo that I bought myself. I'm not the happiest camper, but it's okay. I took the liberty of changing my wake word so that I do not bother anyone else's speakers in their home. So unless yours is the same wake word as mine, which is Echo. And I'm sorry, but you know, you can probably barely see that.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Light down there, but you know, it hurt me. It hurt me. Let's do some sound tests real quick. Let's see. Let's ask her questions. Okay, so Echo, do you know GLaDOS?
We don't really talk after what happened.
Okay, that's funny. That is a reference from Portal for anybody who isn't a gamer. And yeah, she was like one of the main antagonists or whatever. All right, next question, or next request. Echo, pretend to be a superhero.
So I'm walking down the street minding my own business, when out of nowhere this supervillain swoops down out of the sky. Dun dun dun! He starts to monologue, but I've got places to be. So I'm just like, kerboom, pow, wham, and that was that.
I was like, boom, wham, and that was that. That was awesome. My bad, I'm sorry, but that was pretty great. I like that one. Echo, sing a duet with Ed Sheeran.
Hey Ed, here's a reminder. It's time for the party. Let's go. Yeah. I'm at a party I don't want to be at.
Ooh, that bass is nice.
Wondering if I could sneak out the back.
Nobody's even looking me in my eyes.
Can you take my hand?
Ooh, that bass is nice.
Shall
Let's
we
turn this
dance?
up.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, you know I love you.
Did I ever tell you?
You make it better like that.
Don't think I fit in at this party.
Everyone's got so much to say.
The camera shaking.
Yeah.
I always feel like I'm nobody.
Sorry if I just blew out your ears, but I just had to see what that could really do.
Sing it.
'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah.
All the bad things disappear.
You're making me
Camera's like
feel
vibrating my
like
gooseneck. I don't know how well you can see that.
I
That's
can deal
awesome.
with the bad nights.
I love bass. I am a total
When I'm
bass
with my
head, so
baby. Yeah.
it definitely has me sold on the bass.
Ooh, yeah.
'Cause I don't care.
As long as you just
My
hold
whole
me
little
here.
crafting table
You
here
can
is
take
like,
me
has a
anywhere.
nice vibration
And
to
you're
it.
making me feel like I'm loved by somebody.
I can deal with the bad nights.
When I'm with my baby. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Here's your reminder. Don't go to any more parties.
Echo, stop. Did not know that was going to be that long, but that was pretty cool. One more. Echo, open Sleep Sounds.
Welcome to Sleep Sounds. You might want to try ocean waves this time. Which sound would you like?
Thunderstorms. I can actually feel a light rumble from that very slight thunder, but there's a good rumble in my table. I'll turn it up. That is nice. That is very nice. Echo, stop. That is very nice. That is my, honest opinion of first impression of the Echo Product Red. It is absolutely amazing in basically every way except this damn, actually not even the light bar, because I was just talking about how great the light bar was before I cut the video off and set up the device. So it's not even the light bar that's the problem. It's just the light sensor. It's too sensitive, or I don't even know if that's too sensitive, because I have enough light in my room, or in the room that I'm in, that it should just be bright enough for me to see. But it just, as you guys can see, it got too dim. Like, as dim as it was on camera was just about as dim as it is to the naked eye here, sitting right here next to it. It was almost invisible, and that's a problem. I really like the light bar. I really like it, but I can't do this. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, but I cannot do this. It is just a red Dragon Ball on my counter without that light bar. Please fix that. Please fix that so I can get another and make it the red one. It has to be red or I'm not gonna get it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.